Clickjack Hack Review. Hi, it's Ron James here. Just imagine for a while you grab a 5-second video that's already blowing up online, you post it into a little known portal, and then you collect a payout. No filming, no selling, no followers needed, no ads, no fees. Think about that. If you're interested, then ClickJack Hack is for you. ClickJack Hack is the latest product from Max and James, and it's 100% anonymous, and you never have to show your face. Zero money out of pocket, using only free tools. And you could work this worldwide. Having your phone or your laptop is all you need. It only takes a few minutes a day. Now, before we go into the sales page, check out my bonuses. So when you buy ClickJack Hack using my link and you head over to your Warrior Plus account to access the product, on that account you'll be able to access a Google Docs um, that highlights my bonuses. In this Google Doc, you will see that ClickJack Hack is an underground um, platform uh, program that allows you to access a platform where you copy and paste seconds of an already popular viral content of other people and turn it into something that will give you instant payments. If you do that, ClickJack Hack a purchase using my account, you will grab these exclusive bonuses. One, a three-part deal of the day product bundle from Max and James, including Phantom Mint, a very popular program that allows you to earn um, big money by creating meme coins. Even if you don't know how to do so, this program will allow you to do that. The second one is Instant Cash Dash, which is a program that allows you to earn by doing simple tasks. And the third product from Max and James is Recurring AI, allowing knowledge of AI to earn you recurring income. No matter how you are with AI, you'd be able to learn easily how to earn recurring income using this program. The second product bonus is a free lifetime access to Max and James's Super Affiliate Academy. It is the largest engaged affiliate community in school, helping its members launch their own profitable affiliate business. It's a very exciting program. I'm actually part of this community, and I can tell you it's a minefield of wisdom. And even if you have no background at all with affiliate marketing, you will learn a lot through this, and you will have that free lifetime access for free, Super Affiliate Academy, if you grab ClickJack Hack using my link. Including in your bonuses is 6 editions of my premium monthly newsletter, I Am Success, highlighting the story behind 6 highly profitable and highly successful online entrepreneurs listed down here. With that, I will include audio recordings of the interview we did with these 6 figure online entrepreneurs as part of the bonuses. I will also give you 4 video courses on email marketing, turning your passions into profits, traffic sources that you could use, and how to develop a mindset to really succeed in this online business community. But there's more. As part of my unannounced bonus, I will send you a copy. If you send me a copy of the receipt and message me saying I am success, I'm going to continue giving you a copy of my monthly premium newsletter, I Am Success, and the corresponding MP3 interview of the featured online entrepreneur for the next 12 months. Simply send your receipt with the message I am success to my personal email, rononline810 at gmail.com. Now, this Google Doc will be available for you in your Warrior Plus account when you do access ClickJack Hack using my link. Now let's look into the sales page for Clickjack Hack. Clickjack Hack is a dead simple system that allows you to copy and paste viral content made by other people. You don't have to make them. Viral content and get paid by a brand new platform that sends you payouts daily by simply following the few basic steps that Max and James will share. So, again, no experience needed. You don't need a following on any social media platform. You can start straight away. In fact, beta testers of ClickJack Hack got paid on day one. So you could easily um, earn money using this simple system, ClickJack Hack. As I said, there's no content that you need to create. You only need to use what's already proven to be viral. You just copy and paste into this platform. No tech expertise required. If you could copy and paste, you're all good. So no online stress. You could easily earn using this program. As Max and James would say, if you can copy and paste, you can do this. You don't need the product. You don't need a list of subscribers. You don't need to show your face, 100% anonymous. And you don't need to spend money for ads. You could earn without having to pay anything else. Learn and earn through ClickJack Hack. Now, this is a wonderful program. Going through the sales page will highlight some of the things that you would come across. I'd encourage you to watch and go through the sales page. Now, you may be able to relate to this. You see and go online, you laugh at the dancing cat, some videos that are mind bending trick shots and all of that, but you don't make the content, you didn't pocket a dime, and honestly, you don't have time or desire to become a creator yourself. I don't have a desire to become a creator. I don't have the skill or the time to do this. But with this, we can earn even without zero face time, even without any followers to babysit, even without any dollars spent in making this possible. With this program, you'd be able to do a few things. You would borrow what's already winning viral video online and you can stay invisible. No need to buy any tools, no need to buy traffic or ads. Uh, Clickjack Hack supplies the eyeballs for you. Now, how it works is that you simply pick up Clickjack Hack, discover the simple formula, step by step, highlighted by James and Max. Paste the link of any trending content into a platform, and the platform pays you. No follow ups, no selling, just quiet, repeatable profit. Now, get in before this. They close out any new acceptance into the platform. Now is the time to get involved with ClickJack Hack. Click the link on this video, and you'll also be able to grab hold of all the bonuses that I mentioned earlier. All the best.